Tired of copy-pasting charts that break when your data updates? Learn to link sheets to slides so charts refresh automatically. That's the whole promise of what we're about to do together. Here's the plan. I'll show you the exact steps. You insert a chart from Sheets, pick your spreadsheet, choose the chart you want, and then import it as a live link. It's simpler than you think. All right, let's start with the first action. Open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want that chart to live. Now, look up at the top menu and click Insert. From the dropdown, hover over Chart and then click From Sheets. This is the magic doorway. Instead of taking a static screenshot or copy-pasting something that will just sit there like a dead image, you're telling Slides to open a live pipeline directly to your spreadsheet data. I use this all the time for quarterly reports, and it saves me from that frantic last-minute check where you realize your numbers are already out of date. Now, after you click From Sheets, a panel will pop open, showing you all your Google Sheets files. This part is straightforward, but pay attention to which spreadsheet you pick. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top. Select the spreadsheet that contains the chart you want. Don't worry about picking the wrong one right now. You can always change it later. I've seen people accidentally grab a backup copy, so just double-check the file name before you click that Select button. Once your spreadsheet is selected, the panel changes. Now you'll see a list of all the individual charts inside that spreadsheet. This is where the real selection happens. Scroll through the previews and click on the one you want. A little blue check mark will appear on it. And here's the really important part. Make sure you're choosing the correct chart, because if you import a chart that doesn't have the right data range, it will still update, but it will update the wrong numbers. Take a second to verify the title or a quick glance at the preview. This is the step where I usually pause and think, does this chart match what I'm about to present? Now that you've chosen your chart, look at the bottom of that panel. You'll see an Import button. Before you click it, though, there's a checkbox right above it that says Link to Spreadsheet. You absolutely want that box checked. That is the entire secret sauce. If you uncheck it, you're just inserting a static image and you're back to square one. So make sure it's checked. Then click the blue Import button. It might take a moment to process and render, especially if it's a complex chart with lots of data. And that's it. The chart is now live. You can resize it, move it around, do whatever you want with its position. But when the numbers in your Google Sheet change, you just come back to this slide, click on the chart, and you'll see a little Update button appear in the corner. One click, and it refreshes to match your latest data. And that's the whole workflow. From manually updating charts every time your data changes to having live linked charts that auto-update in Slides, it's a small change to your process, but it saves you a ton of frustration. Give it a try on your next project. You'll wonder why you ever did it the slow way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.